Hello everyone, I am Divya from Pravya'S Diaries. I hope you are doing good and enjoying our recipes. And if you love watching them, please do like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notifications of our new recipes. In this video, we are going to see the recipe of Starbucks orange pound cake. Without wasting time, let's start with the recipe. In a bowl, take 100 grams of almond flour, 120 grams all-purpose flour, 180 gram powdered sugar, or you can also add castor sugar, and 10 grams of baking powder. Now take 4 eggs and separate egg yolk and egg whites in 2 separate bowls. Now whip the egg whites until it forms soft peaks. Add 2 tablespoons of orange zest to egg yolks and mix well. Make sure you only take orange peel and not the white peel under it as it tastes bitter. And mix the egg yolks with the egg whites. Now combine dry ingredients with the eggs by alternatively adding 1 cup of orange juice. Also add 180 grams of melted salted butter. Mix everything well until no lumps are left. Bake in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 45 minutes or until a skewer or a knife comes clean. Now to make the orange glaze, mix 160 gram powdered sugar with 35 ml of orange juice and mix well until the sugar is completely dissolved. Cover the cake completely with the orange glaze. Bake it for another minute at 180 degrees Celsius. Decorate the cake with orange slices. Cut a piece and have a bite of this incredibly amazing delicious cake. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you loved it, do give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.